Hi everyone, today let's talk about the futures, about the strategy and how to get maximum profit and don't lose any cents. First, you need good crypto exchange. VIX, you can trade without KYC, you can trade without password. It's It's very good exchange. Just register and get a $10 to your account. The second things, if you will do the task, you can get up to $15,000 to your account. So very important thing, don't forget set the take profit and the stop loss. This is very, very important. Because if the price going to other way, for example, you take it the shorts and the price going the up and you doesn't have the stop, you will lose all your money. The second thing is the margin mode. So we have the cross, we have the isolated. Depend of your strategy, you choose what you want. For example, I like it isolated. Someone traded in cross. The other things is the leverage. If you use the 200, 400, if you are the scalper, very important, always set the stop in 1%, not more than 1%. Don't going to the order more than 1%. So what it mean? For example, your deposit is $100. So if you open the position in 400x, don't open more than 1%, no more than $1. This is strategy save you a lot of money. This is you must understand before you start trading. And use the dictionary. Always write everything, how you trade, how much money you get it, how much money you lose it. Everything you must write in the dictionary. You must know this is most important things. The other things, if you know today coming big news, and this news, for example, can make very big squeeze up or down, and you don't know in which way they going, so don't trade in this time. Just wait 1 hour, then start to trade it. For scalping, it's the best way if you choose the scalp strategy, if you see the flat. Flat is the best way for scalper. Of course, all the traders have the different strategy, but for me, the best way it's the flat. Because normally the price going down, go up, go down, go up, go down. And for example, from this, you take the short. And for example, here, you close your order. And the same, open new but long. Open it here and close it. I said about here, the take profit. But you must watch it all the time, because if you don't watch it, the price, if you have the very good strategy, if you have very good experience, but the price didn't go exactly to your take profit. So if you see like this situation, close the position by the hand. This is simple things, but you must understand this and you must be careful always. And you must must understand other things. In the trading, you can make a lot of money, but the same way you can spend the money. You can lose all your deposit. So be careful with your money. Start first, learn to all the things. Then you can trade like the professional trader. All the links for the free bonuses in the exchange, I leave it in the options under the video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget subscribe to my Telegram channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in next video.